to the ground. You're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong. I can't.
Hello beauties and welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much. I appreciate you all. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get this beautiful bantu knot for traditional marriage. Let's say you have someone that is planning for a traditional marriage and you don't know how to do this. I'm here today to show you how to achieve this, even on your own. Like, you can do it on yourself. I did it myself on my hair. You want to know how I did this, how I achieved this gorgeous traditional marriage bantu knot? Yeah, then keep on watching. And if you like this kind of video, please, and you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and tap on that bell icon. In that way you get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. My lovelies, I'm going to go ahead and apply this hair food on my hair, and after that I'm going to spray this water. It's just a plain water that I'm using. So after that I'm going to go ahead and apply this Mazuri Shea Butter Natural. So this is a leave-in moisturizer. And after that I went ahead and add Indian hair scalp and hair treatment, and I'm going to add a little bit of castor oil. So after that I'm going to go ahead and comb my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning my hair. I'm going to cut them into 8 pieces. You can cut your own 10 pieces or 12 depending on what you want, but I did mine 8 because I want it to be bold. You can actually do this very tiny. What matters is to get the end look into bold, to make it in a bantu form. That's what we are looking for. But as the tiny one might take a long time to do. So yeah, now I'm just going to use this hair piece. Some of it, as you can remember, the hair I did when I did my slick down ponytail, so that was hair I used. So although I still have more left, that like the ones I didn't use, so I'm going to use everything. So as you can see, the way I'm combing out my hair, I'm making sure I moisturize it again. So I'm just applying hair cream now. So after that I'm going to go ahead and start braiding.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Ooh, now I'm on the ground. I know the truth. I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things, then shut me out. Got no clue what you have found. I'm a rose in thorns, but you cut me down. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself.
So my beauties, this is the hair after braiding it, and I have about 8 pieces of jumbo braided hair. So now I'm going to be putting it into bantu knots just now, and I will show you all how it looks. So again, I was inspired to do this video because this is the type of hair I had when I did my traditional marriage. And of course, when I did my traditional marriage, I did the one they call million braids, and it was very tiny, like very tiny, you know. So but this is how it was folded. This is the idea how it was folded. So I couldn't do the million braids because it might take me up to a week to finish. So I thought, why not do something similar and fold it the same way. So yeah, that's why I am doing this. So that's why I was like, let me make something similar or simple that will be, you know, easy for people to follow. So yeah, I hope this video is, you know, helpful to you. And if you like it, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't think right. I love the bird below you, tell myself that this is the last time. It's wrong, I can't make right. Slipping off in the moonlight when I knew the truth. I hurt myself for you. On the ground, I know the truth. I know the truth. Ooh, now.
So my lovelies, I'm going to remove this one. I want to add it a little bit. Feel like it's you know, it's at the center, so it needs to stand out more. So I'm going to do it again.
I'm shaking now, 'cause you say those things.
So my lovelies, I can't wait to show you all the end part of this hair. So when I finished this, I just added the beads. This is similar to what I wore on my traditional marriage. My mother-in-law got me the one I used on my traditional marriage. Yeah, but this is a different one. So are you ready? Yeah, yes. Beauties, I really enjoyed every minute I spent creating this hair, this video, this whole process. Like it reminds me of my traditional marriage. And my mother-in-law, she got me all the beads I wore on my traditional marriage, and this whole process, reminded me of that event, that time. May her soul rest in peace, and may she continue to rest in the bosom of the Lord. Amen. I love her so much. So this is the end part of this hair. As I told you, it reminds me when I did my traditional marriage. And I thought, why not create something similar, similar to show you all. So if you're planning to do your traditional marriage, or somebody you can actually help out in one or two things. Yeah, so if you want me to make any other video relating to this, please let me know. Again, my lovelies, the full video of this makeup look will be coming out soon, and don't forget to share this video if you like it, and share it to anyone that needs it. And you never know. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. Subscribe to the channel and tap on that bell icon beside it. In that way, you'll get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching. Until I see you all in my next video, stay blessed, stay beautiful, and I love you all. Bye. I love you.
Down to the ground, you're dragging me. It's constantly. No, I won't make a sound. I love the pain. It sets me free. It's wrong, I can't